Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about sorting data in R. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. So today I use the Palmer penguins data. So I have installed and run previously. I just ran my function here. So that's pretty easy. So I use the arrange function for sorting the data. I just type here penguins followed by a pipe, and here arrange, and here I can sort by island, by species, by anything I want. So I just first of all I just sort it by island. I just type here island, and I just run this. You can see here the island starts with B, bis, coe. So if I put a minus sign, so now it's in ascending order. If I want to sort it in descending order, so I have to put minus in front of island. So I just type here penguins, Control Shift M, arrange, minus island, and I just run this. You can see here we have the islands start with TOR. So the same way we can sort other columns as well. For example, I want to sort bill length millimeter, so I just come here and type here penguins, Control Shift M, which is pipe, and arrange, and type here bill length millimeter, and run. You can see here it starts from 32 and in ascending order. So that's it about sorting data in R. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.